Hi, Lee Phillips. I want to talk to you, lawyer to client, lawyer to lawyer, whoever you are. I want to talk to you about the estate tax changes. The estate tax, Trumpy put it back in place back 2017-ish, and each year it has gone up a little bit, the amount that you can pass on to your heirs without having to pay an estate tax. It's gone up according to the cost of living increases. And this year, it's about a little over $11,700,000. Next year, 2022, it's going to be $12,060,000. So it goes up a little bit each year, and we're still at the 12 million point. Biden says he's going to decrease that. Hasn't done yet. So it may be an excellent year to die because you can pass a fair amount of money without having to pay any estate taxes. At 40%, that adds up. The estate tax and the gift tax are what we call unified taxes, and that is if you give gifts away over the annual exclusion, which I have another video, we talk about the change in the annual exclusion for 2022. But if you give property away over the annual exclusion, then it counts towards your gift tax. You don't actually pay a tax because that eats away at the amount that you can pass when you die. So if you give $60,000 away as a gift, then you're going to lose $60,000 in your estate tax possibilities, and you won't be able to give $12,060,000 away. You would only be able to give $12 million away. Now, a husband and wife can give each the $12,060,000. So you can get $24 million plus. That's not bad, guys. 24.1. That eliminates estate taxes for all but about 5,000 families in the United States right now. If they do anything with that, which they say they might, it could lower it substantially. Now, to get his and hers, both of you, a $12 million estate tax exemption, then you're going to have a trust, an A-B trust, so it divides into two pieces, and we have videos on that. And by the way, if you want a whole ebook I've written, it's free, using a trust, you can just email me, info, I-N-F-O, at Legalees, Legalees. It's a pun on my name. It's the same as the YouTube video channel here. Info at legalees.com, and just say, please send me the how to use a trust. So we can do that for you, and it'll explain this to some degree, and you can get that 12 million with one and 12 million with the second one for a combined 24 million. You could also do a bunch of tax return stuff when somebody dies and port the amount that this first death, the husband or wife that died first, port what they didn't use over to the second person, and they can have that credit plus their $12 million. So porting is something that you could do, but between a husband and wife, married couple, recognized legal couple, then you can get 12 and 12, 24 million, which isn't bad, guys. This is Lee Phillips. I've been talking about how the tax change for 2022 affects estate taxes. Now, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, give us a share. We need to get this information out as far as we can.